Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is 851,258 more than 6,226 is what number? Firstly, 6,226. How to write this? 6,226. Okay. Then 851,258 more than the 6,226 can be found by adding this 6,226 to 851,258. 2, 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 carry forward. 1 carry over. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 as it is and 8 as it is. Hence, 851,258 more than 6,226 is 857,484.